What up, fam? This is your girl Kayla. Today I'm going to be doing a real quick eye makeup tutorial, and I'm going to try to be explaining what I'm doing a little bit more, and then I'm also going to be showing how I did this hairstyle. It's a braided mohawk braid. Every time I wear it, I get so many compliments, so I was just like, you know what, I should do a YouTube video on it, let people know, or let people see or watch how I did it, and just kind of explain to you guys how I did it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let me know what you think. If you want to see more hair tutorial videos, I know my hair is getting so long and I have no idea what to do with it, so I'm just trying to be creative, trying to keep it fun, trying to keep it stylish. This is real up in my lane as far as style goes, because it's very like it's like it's like urban, but it's the braids make it urban, but the mohawk kind of makes it like punky. I don't know, I got different styles, but I like it. It grabs a lot of people's attention every time I wear it. So if you want to watch how I do it, keep watching, and if you don't, then just don't watch it, but it's okay. Anyways, thank you for everybody who subscribed to my channel, who's watched my page. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Taking the color Hush Hush with my Morphe 441 brush, and all I'm gonna do is use this as my transition shade and then just blend that into my brow bone. I'm just taking it in circly motions and doing that. And don't be scared to get that color into the brush. Alright, so this color is going on the outer corner all the way into the inner corner. So I put a bunch of translucent powders, so at the end I could just brush it off. I'm trying to do something a little different to where I do my eyes last and my face first. It's not usually how I do things, but I'm trying things out. So you just want to go back with your bigger blending brush and then blend it out. Pretty Vulgar Blacklist liner as a base for my eyeshadow. So I'm going to smudge that onto my eyelid because I just want a smoky purple eye. Because the liner that I'm going to do, I want it to pop a little bit more. We are going to go in with the color Gem. And this one as well, don't be scared to pack it onto your brush. Oh my gosh, y'all see that? Y'all see that? So I'm just like dabbing it onto the black liner and bringing up a little bit higher just so it'll blend into that, into the color Rockstar that we did. Alright, next I'm taking my NYX black liquid liner, and I like to start my wings at the end of my eye towards the end of where my eyebrow ends. So this, I'm gonna have to probably clean it up. And you just want to feather it at the end. And then bring it in. And just color it. Alright, next up I'm taking my NYX Vivid Brights color and just going on top of this black. And then I'm gonna take some Mystic with my Morphe 432 brush and just put that on the waterline. A little bit of Bling Bling in the inner corner. So then I'm gonna take some clear brow gel. This one's from MAC Cosmetics, and I like to just brush up my brow hairs. I love it when my eyebrows are like grown out already. They're not like freshly waxed, because when they're freshly waxed, I have no eyebrows. Take the symptom quiz at nobodyasaboutHS.com. Talk to your doctor. Hair like strokes, just to give it a more fluffy, natural brow.